Hello everyone. Today we have got CC-521, that is our chilling controller that is basically used in air dryer applications. So with the CC-521 we have got the NTC probe that comes with the range of -50 degrees Celsius to 99.9 degrees Celsius. The instrument has got two relay outputs. So the first relay output is used for the compressor and the second relay output is used for the heater. So whenever the defrost time comes, at the time the heater relay will get on. In the case of air dryer, if you have selected the defrost mode as air dryer, so in that case the heater relay will get on. And the compressor and the heater relay both comes with the range of 10 ampere. So you can connect a load of 10 ampere on the relay directly. If the load is more than 10 ampere, you can connect a contactor to it. So now moving on to the wiring connections of the CC-521. So as you can see, the probe is already connected with the meter itself. So you will, when you open the box, you will find that this NTC probe is already connected. So beside to it, we are having the line and neutral connection where we will give 230 volt. So from 230 volt, we have given the common to the compressor's common relay, and from NO we have taken one phase wire and we have given it to the LED directly. And the neutral wire we have connected it with the neutral of the meter itself. So same wiring you can do in the case of your compressor. So instead of the relay, if your compressor is less than 10 ampere, you can directly connect like that as it is shown in the video. If it is more than 10 ampere, so you can connect one contactor, and through contactor you can take the output to the compressor. Same way for the heater relay also, you can do the same wirings. If your heater takes less than 10 ampere, so you can connect it directly to the meter, or if it is having a larger load of more than 10 ampere, so you can connect one contactor to it and you can use your heater. So now moving on to the parameter video of CC-521. So as soon as we power on the instrument, you can see on the display it will show me the room temperature, whatever the present value it is showing. Now to go into the parameter settings, we'll keep this set button continuously pressed. Okay, F2 will come. F2 is my set higher limit, so I can set my higher limit for my set point. Whatever the set point higher limit I want to set, I can set over here. Again I will press set button. F3 is my set lower limit, that is by default -50 degrees, and this sign you can see, this is my delay time. So it is calculating the delay time to start my compressor. F4 is my hysteresis value. You can also say my tolerance value. Again set button. F5 is my offset value. So whatever the offset value I want to set, I can set over here with the help of this up and down button. Again we will press set button. F6 is my delay time. So by default the delay time is 3 minutes. If I'll make it 0, then you can see this relay output, now it is on. Now DTU is my defrost time unit, whether I want my defrost to be in minutes or in seconds. If I'll select seconds over here, then my defrost frequency will be in minutes. If I select minutes over here, then my defrost frequency will be in hours. Now again if I'll press set button, F7 is my defrost cycle. Okay, so F7 is my defrost time. So you can see by default it is 5 minutes. F8 is my defrost frequency. So by default it is 1 hour. So every 1 hour for 5 minutes defrost will take place. Again if I'll press set button, LP will come. LP is my lock keypad parameter. So if I'll make 1 over here, then my keypad will lock, means my up and down button will get locked. Again if I'll press set button, even is my compressor relay status in case of prop failure, means in case if my prop fails, if there's any kind of issue in this prop, then it will take one duty cycle, that is 10 minutes compressor will be on, and for 4 minutes compressor will be off. If I'll keep 2, if I'll keep 1 over here, then my compressor will be continuously on. If I'll keep 0 over here, then my compressor will be continuously off. So again we'll press set button. E2 will come. E2 is my type of defrost. If I'll select 0, that means electrical defrost will take place. So in electrical defrost, my compressor will be continuously off. If I select one, so one indicates that it will be in hot gas defrost. So in hot gas defrost, my compressor will be continuously on. And if I'll select 2 over here, so 2 represents air dryer defrost. So in air dryer defrost, my compressor will be on and off as per my set point and hysteresis value. Again, if I do not press any of the buttons, so it has came out of the parameters page. So again, we'll keep this set button pressed, and now we will directly press up arrow button to go into our next parameter. After E2, we have got decimal point option. So here I can select my decimal point, whether if I want my decimal point yes or no. Again, we'll press set button. So here we have got the option of temperature unit, whether I want to see my temperature in degrees Celsius or in degree Fahrenheit. Again, we'll press set button. So here we have got the option of factory reset. So we can factory reset all the parameter settings that we have set. If we'll press set yes and enter, then all the parameters will be factory set. Again, we'll press set button. So here we have got the option of password. So we can enable or disable the password as well. If we'll keep 1 over here, that means my password is enabled. Okay. Now again, if I want to go into the parameter page, I need to press set button continuously. You can see password has come. In password, now I have to make 39 each and every time to go into the parameters page. Again, if I'll press set button, then only I can enter into my parameters page. Okay. After setting all the parameters, to save and exit, we'll press enter button. So by default, if I want to now change my set point, I will press set button once. Again set button. Here I can change my set point. By default, my set point will be 10 degrees Celsius. If I want to increase or decrease, I can use this up and down button to increase and decrease the set value. Thank you.